Salam everyone, Nihal. Welcome to today's lessons and let's discuss how we can talk about where we are from. The first thing to note here is that in order to show the place of origin in Tatar, we use certain endings at the end of the noun, versus in English, we use the preposition from to show where someone is from. So let's start. Where are you from? Siz haydan bulasız? Siz, you, haydan, where, from, bulasız, are, or to be. Siz haydan bulasız? I know, it probably sounds a little strange the way the sentence is built if we were translated word to word, but it's just the way the word order works in the Tatar sentence. So first comes the subject, then the object or time or place, and only at the end we add the action or predicate. So, siz haydan bulasız? So in order for us to show the place where we're from, we'll need to add a certain ending at the end of the noun that shows the place. It can be don, then, ton, ten, or non, nen. So how do we know what kind of ending to add? Now remember this. If the initial form of the noun ends with voiced consonants like r, l, b, v, etc., we need to add the ending that starts with the. So don or den. Also, if the word ends with a vowel like a, u, etc., we will also need to add the ending that starts with the, don or den. For example, Amerika, don. So America ends with the vowel a. That's why we add don at the end. Amerika don, from America. Now, if the noun ends with a voiceless consonant like k, sh, ch, s, and so on, we need to end the ending that starts with the, ton or den. For example, New York, ton, from New York. So k is a voiceless consonant. Kansas, ton, from Kansas. Massachusetts, ton, from Massachusetts. Texas, ton, from Texas, and so on. And finally, if the noun ends with nasal consonants like n, m, and ng, we always add the ending non or nen. For example, Kazan, it's my hometown. Kazan ends with nasal consonant, that's why we add non. Kazan, non, from Kazan. Washington, non, from Washington. Maine, non, from Maine, and so on. And just one more thing. As you probably noticed, each type of ending has two versions. The hard version with the a sound in them, ton, don, non, and the soft version with the a sound in them, which is den, ten, and nen. So how do we know which one to use? If the last syllable of the noun is made with a hard vowel, like u, a, and so on, we need to add the hard version, like don, ton, and non. For example, kazan, non. So a is a hard vowel. Kıtay'dan, Kıtay, China. A is a hard vowel, that's why we added don at the end. And if the last syllable of the word has the soft vowel like u, etc., we add the soft version of the ending. That would be den, ten, and nen. For example, Moscow, den, from Moscow. Yemen, from Yemen. So it's all soft vowels there. Reseyden, from Russia. Now let's discuss how the names of some of the countries are pronounced in Tatar. Amerika Koşma Ştatları. As you probably guess, it's the United States of America. Amerika Koşma Ştatları. Büyük Britanya, Great Britain. Büyük Britanya. Almanya. Germany. Almanya. Israel. Israel. Kıtay. China. Kıtay. Lehstan. Poland. Lehstan. Mısır. Egypt. Mısır. Resey. Russia. Resey. Türkiye. Turkey. And Hindustan. India. Hindustan. Now let's use everything we learned today and some knowledge from our introduction lesson a couple of weeks back in the following short dialogue. Siz, benim ismim Jane, siz kim bulasız? Min güzel, Jane, siz koydan bulasız? Min Amerika Koşma Ştatlarından, siz koydan güzel? Min Tatarstan'dan. Hello, my name is Jane. Who are you? I'm Güzel. Where are you from, Jane? I'm from the United States of America. And where are you from, Güzel? I'm from Tatarstan. There you go. Today we learned one more thing to help us talk about our origin and also ask others where they are from. Siz koydan? And where are you from? Go ahead and type your answer in the comment below. Hope this lesson was useful to you. As usual, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also make sure to click on the little bell button so that you get notifications every time I post new videos. Rahmet Bigzur, huş oluz. Mwah!